Hi and welcome back. So in this video, we are going to look at VS Code extension that can make your tasks even easier for reloading pages, right? So right now, what we are doing is we are, writing our HTML and opening this from the file manager by clicking on any of this index.html file. So this open in a default browser that you have given. So you can see the URL of the file is uh, file type, not any link type. It's not HTTP that we talked about earlier. It's a file type. So it's a file protocol type right now. So what we'll be doing is we'll be installing a VS Code extension in this video and looking at how to use that to reload things itself. So we'll be going to this particular extension tab. So VS Code provides variety of extension. So you can go here and search. So I'll be searching for a tag known as live server. So once I search live server, you can see there is an extension for live server. It is by Ritvik Day. It's super awesome and most of people use it. So kudos to Ritvik Day for creating such a great extension. So we'll be installing this, and once you install this, this extension is enabled globally. You can see. So once you install this, you can see your extension install extension in this particular tab, right? So I have couple of others as well, but you will be seeing this particular extension. So let me close this thing, and once you have the extension, you can just right click on your VS Code and you can see these two particular options. So one say open with live server, another say stop live server. So I'll be doing open with live server. Once I click on it, you can see a new tab open in our browser, that is 127.0.0.15500. But what we had before is a file type. What we have is a now URL type, right? So it differs. So this particular thing is a URL that is known as localhost, and this particular thing is known as port number that is bind to this localhost. So this particular URL combination and port number combination, you can visit to this website by any browser right now in this particular machine. So if I go to my Google Chrome and type in the same URL, I can simply visit my website. You can see the title comes here. So this way, like, we can create a live environment for us. So what additional feature it provides is whether you write anything in a browser and just hit save. So I'm gonna hit save right now. You can see it is not saved right now. So once I hit save, it automatically comes in the browser. You can see it say hello. It's something like this, right? So you don't need to again go and refresh your browser. So you can this can make the development super easy. So once I write HTML basic, you can see it's simultaneously reflects. So we'll be using this extension throughout this course to make our task super easier. In the next video, we're looking more about HTML. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. I bring latest tech tutorials and educational infos in this channel.